nice crappie right there. Yeah, sure enough. Fish jumping around, they don't want to get out of there. That's their home. Let's go see what Cassius has found over here. He's been filling buckets up left and right all day long. You finding anything? Huh? Lots of little ones.
Oh yeah, here's a big one. That is a giant. Jeez whiz.
What's that other one? A perch? Or
That's a perch.
you found any crappies?
One.
One? We'll turn these little shiners into catfish. You know what? If there's any big ones come out, we'll take them and move them to another pond.
Here's a crappie.
Well, you find a crappie?
Crappie over here.
Oh, that's a beauty. Yeah. Uh-huh. Nice. Still quite a bit of mud left. Wow. Like this here. I call it. We just took the hoe around for the last little bit of it. It was just getting to be a waste of time trying to push with the dozer up to the hoe. It gets to a point where you got too much of a slope, it's just gonna push too hard. So we left that down here on the bottom, and then Dad went around yesterday with the hoe and brought it down here and just dipped it out and put it up here on the sides and just kind of let it dry yesterday evening and overnight. And you can see on around the slope where he did it. So we'll go ahead and get the rest of this out of here today, and then we'll come over here with the hoe. He wants to put a spill pipe in, and he wants to, while we got that ditch open, run a 4-inch line through here with a 90 on the, and 90 it up right in the middle. We'll drill some holes in that upright, put a cap on it. That way he'll tie into that 4-inch, reduce it down to inch or 3/4 or something on the other side of the dam, and he wants to tie a hydrant to the other end of it so he can have something to fill up his sprayer tanks and things like that. So we'll get this thing cleaned on out today, and then we'll probably go ahead and get the ditch done, and we'll know where we're at then. Yeah, there you go. Dip it back in there. You can get this one.
Okay, can I do this stuff next? I don't want to get glued. How fast did the glue dry?
Pretty fast. Watch out. Move that one.
So if I stand it on it, and just go
Move it over.
like
Pick it up. And move it over. down the 2-inch and come on out the back and plumb that into a hydrant. We'll come up off the bottom here, about here. Then we'll start just drilling holes all over it. That'll let the water in. 4-inch will make a nice volume of water. He's just walking it in now. Getting it good and packed in there. Need to get the front side of the dam's real important to get walked in there tight. Don't want to leak it.